Assalamu alaikum respected doctors, welcome to my YouTube channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today is the fifth video of repeat revision course of complete denture prosthodontics, which is very important for dental NLE exam, MDS as well as for final year exam. Now in this video we will discuss about record base. In fourth video we already discussed about impression trace, types of impression, primary cast, secondary cast. After secondary impression we have a secondary cast. Now after secondary cast we apply wax on the secondary cast, and this wax we replace by heat cure acrylic resin. This is known as record base or base plate, and that also known as temporary denture base or trial base. Above that denture base we make occlusal rim, which is made by base plate wax. Now after secondary impression we have a secondary cast. Above secondary cast we apply wax mainly in lab, and this wax then we go for de-waxing and remove the wax, and in that area which previously occupied by wax we apply heat cure acrylic resin on that area, and we place flask in for curing about 245 minutes. When we remove the complete denture, we have a denture base. Then this denture, the temporary base, denture base, we check in the patient mouth for retention, for its smoothability, for if they irritate any area we should trim that area. Above that, then the next step is the wax rim, mean occlusal rim, which are made by base plate wax. Now this is known as record base or base plate or temporary base or trial base. Now what is record base? It is a temporary form representing the base of a denture. It is used for making maxillomandibular relation records and for arrangement of artificial teeth. It is also known as base plate, temporary base or trial base. Now in this picture on the left side there is a record base or base plate, and on the right side above the because record base are extended into the vestibule area, and above that we have a occlusal rim, because record base are in the red color and wax occlusal rim are in the pink color, and below is the preliminary cast or secondary cast. Now come to the requirements of record base. There are 5 requirements for record base. Number 1, the record base must have rigidity to withstand occlusal load. When we take maxillomandibular relationship after occlusal wax rim, the record base must have rigidity to withstand occlusal load. Number 2, the record base must have accuracy and stability. There should be accuracy and stability. Third, the extent and the shape of the borders and fitness should be resemble a finished denture. Mean it should resemble like a finished final denture. The extent which covered by denture base and the shape of the borders mean the border, the extension shape, and the fitness means retention, stability should resemble a finished denture. Number 4, all surfaces that contact lips, cheek, tongue should be smooth, rounded and polished. All the surfaces should be smooth, rounded and polished, because we should call the patient to check this record base in the patient mouth before formation of the occlusal rim. Number 5, the crest, labial or buccal slope should be thin to provide space for teeth arrangement. These are the 5 requirements of the record base. Now come to the accuracy of the maxillomandibular relationship. When we make occlusal rim after the tricard base, then we take horizontal and vertical jaw relationship. Now the accuracy of the maxillomandibular relationship record affected by three things of the record base or denture base. Number one, rigidity of the record base or base plate. Second is the stability, and third is the mobility of the record bases. If record bases move, they have no retention, then maxillomandibular relationship will be affected. If there is no stability, no rigidity, again it will affect the accuracy of the maxillomandibular relationship. Therefore, the base plate should be rigid, should have stability, and there will be no mobility of the record bases. Last is the material used in construction of record bases. For construction of record bases, we use four types of material. Number one is the shellac record base. These are free-form shellac record base is like we use for special tray construction and come in the white color. This is a shellac record base. Mean we can construct record bases from shellac record base. Second, self-cure acrylic resin. Self-cure, like we make special tray, same we may apply self-cure or cold cure acrylic resin on secondary cast. Like on primary cast, we apply self-cure to make a special tray, and in secondary cast, we applied self-cure acrylic resin to form record base or base plate. Third, light cure acrylic resin, and fourth is a thermoplastic resin, mean heat cure. Remember for MCQs, material used in construction of record bases are four: shellac record base, self-cure acrylic resin, light cure acrylic resin, and fourth is a thermoplastic resin, mean heat cure acrylic resin. Now this is all about record base. Now today our fifth lecture is complete of complete denture rapid revision course. In sixth video we will discuss about occlusal rim. Now if you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon in order to receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.